We got another Florida story, guys. This time a Florida woman rather than a Florida man. And she very much does go into the category of super speedy here because she was going over 100 miles per hour, 124 miles per hour in her Lexus to be exact. And the reason why we're highlighting it today is because there was a crash involved. A crash that killed an attorney and permanently injured her mother, who was riding with her as well. Oh, it doesn't get much worse than that. It really doesn't, but let's have a look at the full story for you here, guys. A Florida woman who was 19 years of age when she allegedly crashed her Lexus into a local attorney's minivan, killing the attorney and injuring the victim's elderly mother, has turned herself into police. I guess it's never too late to ask for forgiveness. Sofia Todorov, who is now 20, reportedly turned herself in at the Broward County Sheriff's Office on Tuesday this week when she was arrested and charged with vehicular homicide and 2 counts of reckless driving. The incident took place on the morning of May 19, 2024, when Todorov allegedly hit a speed of 124 miles per hour before hitting a minivan carrying 65-year-old Lorraine Seeley Young and her 84-year-old mother, Virginia Baker, who was driving at the time. Young was killed instantly, and her mother sustained permanent and continuing injuries, according to court documents reviewed by Law and Crime. WPLG, which is a local and independent news station for the area, obtained video of Todorov's court appearance on Wednesday. At that hearing, prosecutors alleged that the black box on Todorov's Lexus registered a speed of 124 miles per hour seconds before the crash that took Young's life. Todorov's defense attorney argued that his client was not under the influence and that the alleged crash was an accident. Big bloody accident, but yeah, I suppose. In addition to criminal charges, Todorov's and her mother are being sued by Young's children and Baker, calling Todorov's mother vicariously liable for her daughter's alleged conduct because she let her drive the car. No, I'm sorry, no. You're a grown woman. You are 19 years of age when that happened. You have to live with the consequences of that. I'm not having that. That just sounds ridiculous. You can't go blaming the mother for this. At the hearing, a judge issued a bond of $65,000 and ordered that Todorov avoid driving any motor vehicles if she is released. She was also asked to surrender her passport and wear an ankle monitor. Todorov remains in custody at Broward County Jail. So they haven't taken her license away. They just asked her not to drive any vehicles. You know, we realise you caused this massive accident, but please don't go driving. I mean, she's still in custody at the jail, but in theory, if she coughs up $65,000, she could go free. Whether she has that or not, I have no idea. But yeah, wow. I mean, justice is served. Doesn't really feel like it, to be honest. But yeah, I imagine she's going to get a big old jail sentence for that. A big old prison sentence, I should say, for that. But yeah, I hope she remains in custody for the time being because you don't want to go in out there and driving. But in theory, if she has 65k lying around, she can do that. Crazy. It's Florida though, isn't it? Let's be real here. But horrible stuff, guys. Thoughts in the comments below on this one. Hopefully we're going to bring you some cheerier news sometime soon here on the Motoring Chronicle.